Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver and you signed up and you forgot, what am I doing? Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Guys, the Uber driver referral program is over. It has officially ended. And I do have to say, this is some pretty crazy news, but yeah guys, the Uber driver referral program is over. And I know what you're thinking, oh my gosh, what is the Rideshare Hub gonna do now? Guys, I'm gonna have to plug the merch. I'm gonna have to, you know, do something. I might have to throw in 20 ads in every video now instead of 10. No guys, honestly, I saw the news today. I got the notification in my app. Yes, I am a driver. I still have a driver account, despite all the lies that you guys have seen on the internet. But yeah guys, I got the notification today. So here, I'll just bring it up and show you guys. I don't know why this is so funny, but I don't know, some of you guys get a kick out of all this drama. So let's get started. But for real, what does this mean for new Uber and Lyft drivers? Well, right now, just because of everything that's going on, it's not technically over, it's just it's not technically over, it's just, it's paused. It's on pause right now, so don't worry. It's gonna come back, guys. Don't worry, it's gonna come back bigger and better than ever. Don't worry, you haven't seen the last of me. And no, I'm not closing this channel down. By the way, guys, driver referrals is not a huge revenue source on this channel. You guys know we do a lot of other things. You guys know we have the Amazon affiliate links and also the ads on the video, so don't worry. Yeah, here we go. Let me just put up the screenshot right here. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna throw up a screenshot right here. It goes, pausing the driver referral program. As you've likely noticed, the ongoing blank, can't say that word because I can't get demonetized and I really need that AdSense right now, situation has caused riders to take fewer trips. Due to the reduced, sorry guys, it's freaking hot out here in California. Like, I know some of you guys out in the other parts of the world have really cold weather. It's like 75 degrees out here, and I just got back from the beach. I'm probably gonna go surfing in a bit. It's miserable out here, guys, I know. Due to the reduced number of trips, we do not want to proactively encourage, sorry, I have my, okay, maybe I should turn that down because it's probably gonna be a little too loud. Yeah, it should be fine. Due to the reduced number of trips, we do not want to proactively encourage new driver signups. That's why we are temporarily pausing the driver referral program starting tomorrow, April 1st, 2020. As of this date, we will no longer offer referral rewards for inviting drivers and family to drive with Uber. We'll notify you of any future changes to the driver referral program, terms and conditions, changes to Uber trials. Changes to Uber's driver referral program will take effect for any driver referral sign-up taking place on or after April 1st, 2020. Is this an April Fool's joke? Oh my gosh, this would be a freaking amazing April Fool's joke. Is that an April Fool's joke? Uber, are you playing with us? This would be a horrible, like, April Fool's joke because of everything that's going on, but I don't think it is. Uber will honor all pending referral reward offers so long as the invitee has signed up with the referral code prior to April 1st. April 1st is April Fool's. I can't stop thinking about that. And meets all conditions of the referral offer. Honestly, this is no surprise to any of us. I mean, driver signups have been down anyway. Nobody's signing up to drive for Uber anyway. If anybody's still making money with the referral program, I would be surprised. With that being said, what does that mean for you as a driver? Don't go out and invite your buddy to sign up because first of all guys, the main reason why they're doing this is because they don't want new drivers signing up. The drivers that they have already, first of all, the hubs are closed. It's hard, you can't sign up and get your inspection done anyway. So I assume once the hubs reopen, which in my head, it's gonna look maybe like April, May, June, at least after May, so maybe June or maybe July, I think the hubs might reopen. That's assuming when I think the new when the referral program will start back up. So yeah, the next 3 or 4 months, you will see no plugging on this channel for new driver for Uber. But also that means that you're not gonna have a lot of new drivers signing up anyway, which you guys have seen my previous video. This changes a lot. This sets a huge change because I said that driving for Uber is not really gonna be that good in the future because there's just gonna be a huge influx of drivers. But there's not gonna be that many new drivers anyway because all the inspection sites are down. And at least in California, like, you have to have your car inspected in order to get approved. You can't just sign up. I know in some states, I think in Arizona, you can just sign up and you don't need to get your car inspected. But here it's like they're very strict. So with no hubs, there's not gonna be any new drivers anyway. So again, this is not huge news. I kind of expected that this was gonna close anyway. And also for everybody asking, I feel like I'm just talking to all my haters right now because there's probably so many haters watching this video wanting me to like break down crying because the driver referral program has been paused. But I do have to say, just to the haters, you guys have been watching my channel so much and talking about me so much that my AdSense money has gone way up. So it's like I don't even need the referral. We don't need the referral money anyway. You know what I mean? Because the AdSense money is so high. Because so many haters watch my video from beginning to end, watch every single ad, or skip all the ads, which, guys, if you skip the ads, you still support creators. Wow, this is pretty nuts. I didn't think, well, I mean, I expected it was gonna come to this, but when I saw the news, I was a little shocked. Not gonna lie, guys. But anyways, that's it. I just want to throw this video up so you guys can laugh. and know that for the future, yeah, there's not gonna be any new driver referral signups, no plugging, none of that. So yeah, guys, thank you all for watching today's video, and yeah, use my code for Lyft, guys. Also, just wanted to say, guys, if you have not yet followed me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok. I am blowing up on there. I have over 120,000 followers on TikTok. So yeah, follow me on TikTok if you haven't yet. My username's just my first and last name, Dylan Hemrick. All right, thanks guys, bye.